In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time display in MT5 by adjusting your device settings. Now, one thing that often confuses people is that MT5 itself does not give you a direct option to manually change the time inside the platform. The time you see on the charts and in the market watch window is usually based on the server time set by your broker, which you can't edit from within MT5. So if you've been clicking around in the settings looking for a change time button and not finding anything, that's completely normal. However, there is an alternative that can help in many situations, especially if you just want the time display to better match your own local time or a specific region you're working with. Instead of looking inside MT5, you'll be making the adjustment on your device itself. Here's how it works. Close MT5 if it's currently open, just so the changes apply cleanly. Then go to your device's main settings. On a computer, this would be your system settings or control panel. On a phone or tablet, this will be your general settings app. Once you're in there, look for the section that controls your region or date and time. Depending on the device, it may be called region, region and language, or language and region. Inside that region area, you'll see the country or region currently selected. This is important because your device uses this setting to determine things like your time zone format, date format, and sometimes even the way time is displayed in certain apps. To influence how MT5 shows time, you can change this country setting to the region whose time you want to align with. Select the new country or region that matches the time zone you prefer. After you confirm the change, give your device a moment to apply the new regional settings. Then reopen MT5. In many cases, you'll notice that the way time is displayed will now better match the region you selected. Keep in mind that this adjustment changes the regional settings for your entire device, not just MT5. So things like date formats, currency symbols, and other regional details might look different in other apps as well. If that causes any issues, you can always go back into your settings later and switch your region back to what it was before. That's all there is to it. By using your device's region settings, you can work around the lack of a direct time option inside MT5 and get a time display that's more convenient for your trading.